Hey friends, today is Sunday and I know I haven't been on for a while. I really honestly don't really like to vlog or make videos if I'm not feeling it, and I just wasn't feeling it for the past 2 weeks, but I'm back and I figured that we would do a vlog. I'm not sure if it's going to be a daily vlog or a weekly vlog, but today we are going thrifting and I thought that would be so fun. I've been really in that mentality of buying less, which I mean, once in a while I don't mind like indulging, but I just don't feel like in excess. So if like my daughter wants to get some more clothes, I figured thrifting would be fun, and it actually was her idea too. It's really nice to kind of use things that were already made. It's good for the earth. It's good for, you know, just keep on reusing and passing along. I think that really helps a lot. But in Boulder, I don't really think that there's great thrifting stores, and there is one that I've been into at Pearl, our downtown, and that was too pricey. So I don't know, we're gonna check out a different store and I'll try to vlog, and then later on I'll show you what we got, if we got anything. And then also I want to show you a mini Shein haul because my daughter ordered some clothes from Shein, and like I said, we wear the same size clothes and we have very similar styles. Like I kind of am a chameleon, so I can go in many ways. And so her clothes that she bought is so cute. I like really love it, and it's major inspo for me. So I'm gonna show it on her and then me, and then I don't know. So yeah, I will see you in a little bit. Let me see. This don't know. What do you mean? Look at Justice. I love her outfit. This is one of the Shein outfits she got. I love it. And you gonna put white pins on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bag.
Oh, let me see your outfit, baby. Turn around. Go further back.
My outfit?
Oh, your grandma bought you that. Where's the bow? We're gonna get the bow.
How should I put the clips on?
Huh?
How should I put the clips on?
On the side. You guys ready? Come on. Mirror. Look at that mirror.
Ooh, I want
Dad, do you remember these?
I want
Oh,
these.
oh, those are cool.
But I don't have any neon outfits, so.
This is something 11 would wear from
Yeah.
oh my gosh, look how cute that jacket is right here. Oh, Justice, this is cute. Ooh, $20? That's still a little pricey for a thrift store. That's so cute.
These, what are these called? Cargo pants.
Oh yeah, let's go look.
Mommy, look at those baby
Oh, this is cute. How is this a resale store? They have a million of the same things.
This isn't resale. This is all now. That's like
Oh, okay.
the resale's over here.
Oh, okay.
Recycled, maybe.
Ooh,
Okay.
this looks cool.
Because I was like, this is like very unique.
Mom, look, camera. You could open
Justice, this is cute.
I don't
Oh, that looks like Clueless.
I know. Well, her whole outfit looks like Clueless.
What?
Justice is Clueless.
I wish. I
Just
love that
Daddy's
movie.
girlfriend, Alicia Silverstone.
Back when I was a kid, yeah. Justice looks like you, bro. It's like totally your section. Well, I like this when you know it.
Sports.
Mom would look so cute in a lot of this stuff.
In Boulder, so you can get very unique thrifted things. Oh, that's cute. It's a size large though, and I would never wear that. You see anything cute? You gotta.
Everything's cute.
You have to dig through things, Justice.
Oh, they have a Shein.
Oh, it's meant to be. How much is it? $9.99. That's not bad. You love Stranger Things.
Mommy, look at this one.
Oh, what is it? Oh, shiny, shiny.
Strangest thing.
Oh, JT likes it with these glasses for like the winter and going to Aspen or wearing like a puffer jacket.
Take your mask off, show me your fright. Oh, there she is. She doesn't have any fun. She don't have no fun.
Anyways, look at the shirt that Justice got at the thrift store. That is so cool. It's Batman, and I love these shorts. They're from Shein as well, right? black mom jeans.
Yeah.
Very cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Cute. We just finished dinner. I'm actually really agitated for some reason. I made homemade pesto with lemon ricotta ravioli and bacon, and then we had some guacamole. I know that doesn't go well. Think it goes well, but it's actually really good. Now we're gonna go for a walk, and yeah, maybe you'll come with us. We shall see. But I am agitated. I think it's just like when I get overwhelmed. I don't know. Anyways, hopefully I'll feel better soon. Oh my goodness. There is a rattlesnake right here in the middle of the street where we're going for a walk. Wow, she nearly like stepped on that. Don't get close to it. Oh my goodness.
That's scary.
It looks like the same.
Oh, can't we?
He's not rattling.
Well, he's not pissed because we're leaving him alone. If you respect them.
Well, yeah, but somebody could have. We got to stay together as a family out here, guys. We're pretty close to it. Look, he thinks I'm going to attack him.
He's like, bet what? Stand back, bet.
Search it up what it is. It's so soft.
Why do you even care about how you look? You can see it in a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, it's all that
Nothing else that
matters.
matters, is it?
Mom, that's
Nothing else matters. Trust in your. Cause nothing else matters. Oh, that's pretty. What is that? Get distracted. Oh,
And then she told us
I
again.
brought my
if
bee
you weren't
and we
listening
picked
to
some
the-
But what are you gonna tell
flowers.
us?
I love it.
Lol.
You like to make bouquets, don't you?
Yeah, but we're gonna make tea out of these.
Tea? No, not tea out of those. We're gonna put them in a jar.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Allie loves to make bouquets. Yes.
You know what that looks like?
What?
When was the last time you saw area tea?
I got some Earl Grey tea. What?
When was the last time you saw area tea?
Not for a while.
But this reminds me of her room. Cause in her room she has like all the
Oh, really?
flowers that.
That she has flowers like that? Oh,
She puts it like.
that's so cute. She doesn't want to model it for me, but that's okay. I love that dress. This is her Shein haul. And then that white top. But what makes it the best is, show them. Show them real quick.
What?
That is so cute. I love it. I would totally wear that one. I might try it on. Oh, I'm gonna play tennis. Let's play tennis. My daughter is so not amused. She's like tired of trying on clothes. Oh, but life is so hard of a teenager that has to try on clothes. I like this outfit. I may have to borrow this from you. What do you think? Can I borrow it from you? Huh? Can I?
I don't care.
Aw, so sweet. This one won a school award for being diligent, intelligent, and excellent. Sure. Oh, look how cute this is. The lighting is horrible, but this is one of the dress that she wore today. Why don't you want to try the clothes?
I don't feel like it. I changed a lot.
Oh, I love that. That's super cute. Pull the shirt down though. It doesn't even show your stomach that much. There you go. Very cute. Okay, thank you. This yellow sweater, very cute. And then look at this purse. She bought this for how much, Justice?
What, the purse?
This purse?
$8.
$8, and it has like Croc and Boss. I feel like so clueless. This is what is this? Like a yellow cardigan with like checkers, plaid, very cute. Lastly, she got this purple shirt, very, very cute. So I just got this, Justice just got these socks, and she ordered some Mary Jane platforms too, and I'll show you guys another time. Okay, lastly, I got these jeans. How retro are these? They're like super, what, 90s? I really like them. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but I think they're just so comfortable. They're like super stretchy, and they're so cool. Do you like them? Perv?
Oh, I love them. I love them. I think they look cute. What do you mean? I was just chilling. I didn't want to be in the video.
Okay, well, I just, we're gonna end the night. JT is, I'm just kidding. We're gonna end the night because, well, it's the end of the day. Thank you for joining us on the thrift haul. We actually didn't find very much, but you did see some of the Shein haul, and we went for a little walk, so yeah, that is it.
Just kidding.